What's going on this morning, family? What's going on? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm in OKC right now. So I'm at the room up early, like always, on my coffee. Getting my mind right. Made it to the city around 8. Got something to eat, got settled in. By the time I got settled in and got everything done, it was close to 10, so I laid down. As of right now, I see that the city is still on lockdown. It's talking about, I seen something on the news that said it was going to probably lift the ban here within the city this week. So I don't know how that's going to go, but they still been moving around. They just been, limiting their movement. But I'm ready. I'm kind of excited to go out and just check out. I see some gas prices when I entered, or I don't know, was it in OKC or right before on the outskirts, but I know I seen a gas price sign that said 114. Blew my blew my fucking mind. I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to get some gas and I had just filled up. I'm like, damn. It's just crazy how the economy is right now, man. There's money out here. I see a lot of people on the road. This room I'm at, I actually see some people, a company here from Phoenix doing the job. I see some Phoenix tags, well, some Arizona tags. I seen a few people from different states out here working, so there's money out here for sure. I'm curious to see how the city is laid out. I didn't bring no business cards this time because I'm on a different level with this approach. I'm actually looking for homes, but I had already set my ads and stuff out, but I'm gonna customize my business cards because I don't have a OKC telephone number right now. So my goal is to get one while I'm down here, so that way I can lock my phone number in. I did create a Google Voice one though, so that way I can call someone through that and they'll see the 405 number. I believe that's what the area code is, because it's hard to network with people when they see a foreign number. They'll just they'll avoid the call, hang up because it looks like a bill collector or something. You know what I mean? So I got to get that right to help me network. But like I say, I really think it's gonna be okay. Came into the room as soon as I got here. Police was going around checking people's tags. So I don't know if I'm just in the wrong side of town or if that's just what they do. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't bad though. I mean, the room ain't terrible. Like I say, I was looking for a decent price to be able to do some networking. I wasn't trying to spend no rent money in a week just to come and tour the city. So I found me a good one at Super 8, a good Super 8. That's where I'm at. So I'm out here networking, man. I'm looking forward to the sun that came up yesterday. So I'm looking forward to getting out. Actually, I just want to check out the downtown. We actually gonna probably take my son, go down there and walk. And me and him, I used to hear a guy that used to say, man, let's walk and imagine. So I'm probably gonna do that with my son. We're gonna walk and imagine some things. We're gonna dream real, real big and see where his mind is, what he wanna do. But he's excited. Like, I told him I'm gonna get him a small welding kit. Next time I see him, I'm gonna have him a kit together. So that way when we get ready to go get some money or I need him to help me with something, I say, hey, where your bag at? I have everything he needs: chipping hammer, wire brush, hood, gloves, his little jacket. I'm gonna have him a little grinder in there, a couple of soapstones. Get him a little kid, but he's ready, man. He's excited. My son is he's 8, about to be 9, and he's growing big. Like he's gonna get. I believe he's gonna be tall for his age. My father and my fathers were tall. Father was tall, and my father was tall, but my mom's side was short. So I ended up, being tall for my side of the family. From her side, I'm 5'8", but my dad is like 6 something, 6'1", 6'2", and they go up. So like I say, needless to say, man, I'm just gonna spend some quality time with him. I'm only gonna be down here a few days, so I want to do some catching up with him and see how he's doing. And he looks good though. He feel healthy. You know what I mean? He's excited for me to get closer, so that way we can spend more time. I think that's very important for my followers who have kids or grandkids or whatever that you want to actually be around, man. Now I really think it's important to spend time with your immediate family. Your immediate family. You can't save everybody. But if you got a son or a daughter, man, and you can be there, be there. I know we get in situations where we can't, because I was in a situation like that where it didn't matter what I did. It was just me and the lady wasn't seeing eye to eye. It just wasn't working out. And it was a lot of time I didn't get a chance to see my son. So now he's older, he's talking, he's more conscious, and it makes it better for me because now he's requested me and be like, hey, I want to see dad, where my dad at, what's going on with dad, and I send him stuff, and so now things I believe is going to get a lot better. And by me being here, I really gonna think it's gonna help him because I'm gonna help expand his mind. I want him to think big, dream big. I don't want him to have no limitations, and I don't want him to go without. He shouldn't have to. He should never have to go without. And it wasn't on me. But now I'm in a situation where I can actually change it and get things better. So that's why I'm here. I'm actually moving into OKC to form a better relationship with my son, to be a father to my son, what I didn't have, and to be a father to, my other two daughters, but I could be able to get around them more, but my son really needs my help. So to me, I think it's like an emergency call for people who have sons, especially black men with sons in America, man. If you can be around them to save them and help them from the traps and the snares that they're setting for them, it's wise, man, because it's real out here, and ain't no love for our kids, man. They want them in the system. You see what I'm saying? They want them there. That way they can profit on them, and our kids can feed their kids. You know what I mean? It's time to change some of that. So that's really why I'm here, man, to try to do something different. And I'm just trying to do something, man, that I never did before. I never seen. So I know it's possible because I done seen good fathers. I done seen people build businesses from scratch. So it's not going to be an easy process, but it's going to happen, though. Y'all going to watch me get my HogOn. I'm going to take it one day at a time, plant the right seeds, and I know as long as I prepare myself properly, everything going to be okay. So I'm going to be checking in with y'all a little later. Like I say, once the sun come up, things move around, and I actually get out and start networking, seeing what's going on in the city. HogOn.